In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to check your Lufthansa ticket status. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do this process through the Lufthansa website. You can do this on your computer or your phone as long as you use a web browser. When you arrive at the Lufthansa website at www.lufthansa.com, you will be able to scroll down and see these four main options: check-in, flight status, my bookings, and miles and more. You don't need to be signed in, you simply have to click flight status and you will need to confirm a few details to see your ticket status. You will need to choose the airline, input the flight number and the correct dates. If everything looks okay, when you click find, you will have the information displayed on your screen about your flight. It's going to include the passengers, the time of arrival, departure, etc., the flight number, and all other relevant information. Sadly, I can't show you this, but this is how it should look like. After you are done checking the flight status, you can go ahead and check in if you wish, or manage your bookings by selecting My Bookings. If you are having trouble finding your flight or for some reason it's not giving you the updated status, what you can consider doing instead is open up the menu and select Help and Contact in order to talk to the Lufthansa customer support. If you are having any sort of issue when trying to find your flight, it's important that you go over and you talk to their customer support to see if everything is booked properly and in order. I hope I was able to help you on how to check your Lufthansa ticket status. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.